Hi, my name is George Stupiñán. I'm in the third group of English 2 in UNAD, and this topic is about the present perfect. I have studied system engineer in UNAD since 2011, and I have lived in Bogota since I was a child. But in this moment, I have lived for 1 year in Soacha with my family. Um, I I have traveled just three places. These places are Neiva, Girardot, and Melgar. My couple's name is Karen Gutierrez, and my son's name is Christopher. And we have been together for 1 year, but with my couple, I have had in a relationship since 2011 and for 10 years. Um, Christopher was born in 2012. I have worked in Islecar Group. I I have had a good relationship with my coworkers. I have seen many movies, some good and other very bad. The best movie I have seen is Inception, and the worst movie I have seen is Jack and Jill.